Hello, today we will guide you through how to set a stop loss and take profit on Axiom Trade. To begin, open Axiom Trade and go to the Discover page for the Solana or ESOL market. This is where you can browse available tokens and pull up the trading screen for the asset you want to manage. If you are following along for practice, you can use a sample meme coin, just as shown in this walkthrough. The goal here is simply to open a coin page so you can access its trading tools. Once you are on the Discover page, click on the sample meme coin to open its detailed market view. This page gives you more information about the token and, most importantly for this tutorial, access to the trading controls on the side of the screen. Make sure you are on the correct coin page before moving on, since your stop loss and take profit settings will apply to the position associated with that asset. Next, move your attention to the panel on the right side and click on Advanced Trading Strategy. This section is where Axiom Trade lets you create more structured trade management rules instead of relying on manual actions later. Using this feature can help you plan your exit strategy ahead of time, which is especially useful in fast-moving markets. Inside the Advanced Trading Strategy section, click Add. This opens the options for setting up an automated condition. The first condition we are working with is Take Profit, which is used to lock in gains when a price target is reached. After that, click on Take Profit. This tells the platform that you want to create a profit-taking rule for this trade. In simple terms, a take profit order helps you secure profits automatically if the asset rises to the level you have in mind, so you do not need to watch the chart constantly. Once take profit is selected, click Add Again. This confirms that you want to include that rule in your advanced strategy setup. Take a moment to review what appears on screen so you understand that the take profit condition has been added successfully. Finally, click on Stop Loss. This adds the other key part of trade protection. A stop loss is designed to help limit downside risk by triggering an exit if the price moves against your position. Together, take profit and stop loss settings can help you define both your target and your risk before the trade develops further. After selecting stop loss, you will have both core strategy options in place within the advanced trading setup. Always review your entries carefully before confirming any live trade settings, especially in volatile markets. This is a simple but important way to trade with more structure and control.